This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Mike Branson. Very pleasing home with good storage space, 60s character and comforting floor plan in a pleasant tree-shaded neighborhood. Front U-shaped kitchen has range as well as built-in oven, tile backsplash, and good cabinet space, great for the cook. Living room has a beautiful pegged hardwood floor and a distinctive brick partition separates the kitchen and living room. Vinyl flooring is in both the kitchen and converted bonus room. The bonus room provides many options and there is a laundry room in the back. Hardwood floors in the bedrooms and hall. 2 bedrooms have built-in bookshelves. Extra gravel parking pad and nicely landscaped yard. This one will surprise you. Contact Mike Branson at 4056-1253-47 or mikebranson@c21global.com for more.